Hello there, is anybody there? Yeah. Hello, it's me, Miss Deb. How are you? Here I am. Here I am. How is everybody doing today? I hope you're all doing well. Now I want to see if I can share this to my group page. I don't know how to do that. Anybody know how to do that? Well, I don't know. I'll go ahead and share it to my group page as soon as I'm done. But anyways, this is Miss Deb coming to you from my home office in Ann Arbor, Michigan, and from my group, Essential Oils and You. I've started on a venture learning how to create non-toxic products using essential oils. I do have a group. It's called Essential Oils and You. If you're interested in joining, come on over and I'll teach you how to do some things and how to get some of those toxic chemicals out of your house, your home, your body, and your life. So today, as I said, I want to get us ready, our feet ready for sandal and flip-flop weather. Did you know that as we grow older, our skin does not exfoliate like it should do or like it did do when you were younger? So what we're going to do is make a foot scrub to help your heels get rid of that calloused, dry skin that tends to build up, especially over the winter when, we got our socks and our shoes on. So let me just tell you what you need to use to make this exfoliating foot scrub. You need a half a cup of sea salt. So I'm going to put that in my dish. You can also use Himalayan salt, but sea salt has more, wait a minute, I got it, wrote it down here. Sea salt does better for your feet. Now, if you were making a scrub for your face, you would want to use sugar because it's not as harsh or as rough as sea salt. You can also use Himalayan salt if that's what you'd like to use. So, I got my half a cup of sea salt in my dish, and to that, you want to add 1/4 cup of fractionated coconut oil. You don't want to use the hard coconut oil because that'll just harden up. Fractionated coconut oil will stay liquid. So I'm putting that in my dish. And now, to this, I'm going to add 20 drops of peppermint essential oil. So let me put that in there. I gotta count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I put 20 drops of peppermint oil into my dish, and now I'm just going to take a spoon and stir this all together. I need to be able to see it. Let me stir this all together and then I'll move the camera down so you can see what it looks like. So let me move this camera down so you can see it. There we go. Alright, I'm just mixing this all in really well. And as you can see, this is fairly easy to do. And I think I got it well mixed in, so now what I'm going to do is take a glass container and just put my foot scrub in there. I got it all in there. I'm going to put a top on it. And I'll have to create a label to put on it that says that this is my peppermint foot scrub. Now, you may be wondering, let me get the camera back on me, how do you use this foot scrub? Well, the best way to use it is to take about a tablespoon. Now, when you go into this jar, don't stick your hands in there, because if your hands are wet and they have water on them, it is going to start to mold and make the foot scrub no longer any good. So take a tablespoon. Grab out a tablespoon of your foot scrub and rub it on your feet. Now, before you do that, you want to make sure you have a pan of warm water. And once you put the foot scrub on your feet, you want to stick your feet in that warm water and soak them for about 15 minutes. And at the end of that 15 minutes, you're going to take another tablespoon of your foot scrub and just rub it all over your feet and up your legs, and just exfoliate all that skin. Get that salt scrub in there, and then just massage them for about a few minutes or so. Rinse it off and dry your feet off, and that's all there is to it. That's all you have to do. Now, you may want to try doing this maybe 2 or 3 times a week. And if we start now, by the time sandal weather gets here, our feet are going to be looking so nice, and they'll be all ready for you to wear your sandals or your flip-flops. So I hope that you found this little video helpful, informative, and if you would like, you can share it with other people. I would also like to take the opportunity to invite you to my Facebook group, which is called Essential Oils and You. And in this group, I'm showing people how to create non-toxic products that they can use in their home, on their body. And hey, we all need to get rid of those toxic chemicals that are in the store-bought products, because they're not good for you. They can even cause things like cancer and other deadly diseases. So you can replace all of that stuff, all of it, using essential oils. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So I hope maybe you will come over and join my group. I will be coming out on Saturdays at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, doing some sort of a little class about essential oils. It might just be talking about a certain essential oils, what it does, how it's processed, or I might talk about how to make something like I did today. So again, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you again next Saturday, 2 p.m. So I hope you're there. Thanks. Bye-bye.